So there's two ways to get paid with NFTs. One is easy as buying an NFT, and the second is as easy as selling an NFT. So what you want to do when you're buying an NFT is try to be as early as possible on a solid project. You want to look for the story, you want to look for community, you want to look for people who are in the community that you really feel, and then you also want to look for some type of demand, because when you're looking for a project, you want to find something that can have demand in the secondary market to actually, make a good return on if you're looking to flip it, or at least have some good utility. So when you buy that NFT, you can use it, do something fun, be part of a cool community, because really NFTs are really all about the community. And if you're not looking at it just on a purely financial side of things, you can really find some great people and friends in the community. When you're selling an NFT, it's all about when you're creating a culture. You're creating a culture with your NFT collection. You're creating something special. You're creating something unique. But right now, when you're selling an NFT, you have a lot of freedom to do whatever you want. If you want to do something cool and more artistic, make everything one of one, you can do that as well. But it's always about like how you can bring some originality to the space that really connects with people and makes a project really connectable amongst the community. So when you're buying and selling an NFT, there's two sides to make money. It's just the right way that makes sense for you.